Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Hey y'all, today is Thursday and I'm in the car. Actually about to pull up at the gym. So today I'm doing a class. At the gym, and it's gonna be for the core. It's an hour long, then I'm gonna do another class for stretching. So I'm excited to see how this goes, y'all. I haven't done any type of conditioning workout. So I was in high school since I was a cheerleader, so I'm excited to see what we about to do. I'm leaving the gym. I got some good footage, upper body, and we did core. Today is a Friday. We have a new baby in the house. Say hello to Bella. Here's Chumpy. So y'all, I'm actually babysitting Bella until Sunday. So that is my breakfast today. What is up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm in the car Wednesday, so whatever day Wednesday is, but I'm on my way to a photo shoot. It's gonna be really fun. So y'all, we just got here and it's so cute in here, literally. So I'm about to get dressed, get ready. I need my coffee. Yeah, so we just finished the shoot. My bad. Let's do a little shot.
Hey man, get my right fast. So good shoot. Man, just have a good shoot, man. Happy birthday to my guy.
Happy birthday.
Trust me, this is not revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I
Today is Monday. I am at school. I'm eating my spaghetti. And yeah.
know. Respectful, yeah. If I slide